All right, today we're going to do a product review. Superior Images Interior DG Interior Cleaner. Premium concentrated cleaner for all plastics, vinyl, carpet, upholstery, and leather. Rinses easily, leaving no film. Superior Image is my #1 go-to for cleaning chemicals and know-how. Ted over there is now an international detailer trainer. They really know their stuff. Go check them out at superiorimage.pro. Superior Image Car Care on their Amazon page. Next is a how-to video and how easily it is to clean leather and side panel. Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail. I'm going to do show you on a interior cleaning I've been using, and it's kind of an all-in-one. It is Superior Image DG Interior Cleaner. So I put it in one of these pressurized spray bottles here. So I'm just gonna pull these seat belts aside here a little bit, and I'm gonna spray it nice and heavy on here. I'm gonna hit the seat belt there. It's got some black on it. I have my soft bristle brush on my drill, and just look at the dirt just coming right off of there. Now, as you can see, it's just melting off, so I'm gonna look at that. So you agitate it. I'm gonna come over with a microfiber, and you can see it's just gonna melt that right off. Okay, so now I'm going to go over it again. Agitate it, foam it up. Fold this microfiber. As you can see from the bottom to the top here, doesn't take long. Have the right product. That's going to be safe for leather. It's going to be safe for the door panels as well. So let's check it out on the door panel here. Crawl out of the car. Kimber says hi. Now, if it's the door panel is really dirty, I will take a soft bristle brush and go over it. But usually You know, the only part here is usually on the driver's side, passenger side, where you put your arm, you get all that oil on the top. I know, it builds up. As you can see, I'm not working very hard to get this panel nice and clean. See another spot. Go over it. Any other questions? Shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, everybody. More to come.